In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter debit card expenses in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to keep your records clean and accurate. First, once you're signed in to your company file, head to the top left of your screen and click the New button. Depending on your layout, it might look like a plus icon, but it's the same Quick Create menu. This is your starting point for creating most transactions. From that menu, choose Expense. This form is designed for purchases you've already paid for, which is perfect for a debit card swipe. It's different from a bill, which is what you'd use if you plan to pay later, and different from a check, which is specifically for check payments. Next, select the payment account. This is critical. Choose the bank account that your debit card is tied to, typically your checking account. If you have multiple bank accounts, take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct one. Selecting the right account ensures your bank register and bank feed will line up and makes matching easier later. Now, enter all the details of the expense. Start with the payee, the store, or vendor you paid. Set the date to when the card was charged. For payment method, you can note debit if that field is available. In the category details section, choose the appropriate expense account, for example, office supplies, meals, or fuel. Then enter the amount and add a clear description so future you understands what this was for. If your business tracks sales tax, pick the correct tax code. If you use classes, locations, or customers/projects, assign them here, and mark it billable only if you intend to invoice a customer for this cost. Use the memo field for any context a teammate or your accountant would need, and attach a receipt image if you have one. Attaching receipts is a great habit for audits and for keeping proof organized in one place. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That records the expense and brings you back to your dashboard. If you're entering several expenses in a row, you can use Save and New to speed things up. That's all. Your debit card expense is now recorded. It will appear in your expense list and bank register, and if your bank is connected, you'll be able to match it to the downloaded transaction. Keep your categories consistent, add clear descriptions, and attach receipts to make your books accurate and reporting effortless.